Is your office management asking you to join back the office? Are you worried about how things will work if work from home ends? Then there might be good news for you because Indian IT companies are re-evaluating their stand. Companies are rethinking their current return to office plan as the number of COVID-19 cases has increased to a record level in mainland China. Last year, most IT businesses asked their employees to return to the office. But after the Union Health Ministry warned that the next 40 days would be crucial for the country because of a spike in COVID-19 cases in China, the companies may need to reconsider their previous stance. There were mixed reactions from the IT companies when TechGig contacted them about their intentions to allow staff to work from home despite COVID worries. See improve your skill. Some companies like Accenture did not comment. But when contacted by Priyanka Anand, Vice President and Head HR, Southeast Asia, Oceania and India at Ericsson, she said, "At Ericsson, employee well-being always remains a top priority and guides our decision-making. Remote working is not new at Ericsson, as our employees always had the opportunity to work with flexibility, even before the pandemic. Even post the pandemic, we remain focused on offering a flexible work from home model to our employees. This helps our employees remain engaged, productive and motivated, thereby making our operations more robust and agile," she told TechGig. When asked to comment on the same, Shraddha Reg, Senior Director of People Practices, Seclor stated, "We are cognizant of the possibility of another COVID wave. We will be revisiting our policies to prepare our workforce to be better equipped should the COVID situation in the country turn critical. As employee well-being remains the priority at Seclor, some initiatives implemented during the onset of the pandemic are now a part of our HR policy," she added. "While we are currently working in a hybrid mode, we already have the infrastructure and arrangements in place to seamlessly shift to remote working overnight if the situation necessitates," she added. Tapanjit Makar, Crow, Deltatech Gaming Limited said, "I think in the last 3 years, we have experienced a lot of work from home, a lot of hybrid and recently, work from the office as well. What model works for you differs not just for each employee, but also for each organization. Of course, there might be some roles which can be done in hybrid, but for a majority of roles, office is still the preferred mode of working. If another wave comes, we are always ready, and we continue to believe in empowering the individuals to follow COVID protocols that may be appropriate for the situation and time. If a government advisory comes for us to take further steps, we will move ahead accordingly." Rajiv Balas, Managing Director, India and Vice President APAC, at Barco revealed, "Hybrid is here to stay, but basis the work profile and responsibilities, employees have the flexibility to work accordingly. We are ensuring that all necessary safety and hygiene protocols are in place and encouraging more and more people to work from the office." Adit Jain, co-founder and CEO, Lena AI, said, "At Lena AI, since the onset of the pandemic in 2020, we have adapted a remote work model. We intend to remain this way for the near future, especially with the new COVID surge. Employee well-being has and will continue to be our top priority. While implementing a remote work model, we ensured that we were building a healthy work environment for everyone." Among the top tech companies, TCS was the first company for employees to return to the office. But Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Infosys employees continued to have the flexibility to work from home. The trend of hybrid work is expected to increase further in the current year for these companies.